Hey everyone, it's Investment IQ Insights, and today we're diving into the minds of the wealthy to uncover 9 money secrets the rich don't want you to know. These aren't your typical get-rich-quick schemes, but rather time-tested principles that the financially successful live by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom just like this one. Secret number 1, the single biggest factor in how much money you end up with is time. Time is the most powerful ally in the world of investing. It's not how much you make, it's how much time those savings have to grow. The magic lies in the duration your money is allowed to work for you. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Starting early gives your investments the chance to grow exponentially. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest, creating exponential growth. This means your money grows faster and faster over time. Let's say you invest $1,000 today at a 7% annual return. This is a realistic and achievable rate of return. After 30 years, you'd have over $7,600. This demonstrates the power of long-term investing. But if you waited just 10 years to start, you'd only have around $3,800. Delaying your investment can significantly reduce your potential returns. The rich understand this and start investing as early as possible, even if it's just small amounts. Consistency is key. Regular small investments can grow into substantial sums over time. Set up automatic investments into a low-cost index fund or ETF. This ensures you are consistently investing without having to think about it. The sooner you start, the better. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and let time work its magic on your investments. Secret number 2, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old saying holds true, especially when it comes to managing your investments. The same goes for your investments. Putting all your money into a single asset can be risky. Diversification spreads your money across different asset classes, reducing overall risk. By investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can protect yourself from market volatility. If one investment does poorly, others can cushion the blow. This balance helps in maintaining a more stable financial growth. The wealthy build a well-diversified portfolio that can weather market storms. They understand the importance of spreading risk. One popular way to diversify is to invest in low-cost index funds, or ETFs. These funds offer a broad exposure to various sectors and industries. This allows you to invest in hundreds of different companies with one purchase. It's a simple and effective way to achieve diversification. Rebalance your portfolio regularly to maintain your target allocation. This involves adjusting your investments to stay aligned with your financial goals. This ensures you're not overly exposed to any one asset class. Regular rebalancing helps in managing risk and optimizing returns. Diversification is key to long-term financial success. Just like planting a tree, it requires patience and care, but the rewards are worth it. Secret number 3. This is the golden rule of personal finance. Spend less than you earn and save the difference. By consistently following this principle, you can build a solid financial foundation and secure your future. The wealthy are masters of living below their means. They have developed habits and strategies that allow them to maximize their savings and investments. They understand that true wealth isn't about how much you spend, but how much you keep. It's about making smart financial decisions and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term pleasures. They drive nice cars, but not always the latest model. Instead, they focus on reliability and value, ensuring their vehicles serve them well without breaking the bank. They live in beautiful homes, but not always the biggest or most expensive ones. They choose homes that meet their needs and provide comfort without excessive costs. Prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary spending. By doing so, you can grow your wealth steadily and achieve financial independence. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses and identify areas to cut back. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Small changes to your spending habits can make a big difference. Simple actions like cooking at home, making your own coffee, and packing lunch can save you a significant amount of money over time. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can be invested and grow your wealth. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with mindful spending and disciplined saving. Secret number 4. Taxes are an inevitable part of life, but they don't have to be a burden. The wealthy understand the tax code and use it to their advantage. They minimize their tax liability through legal strategies like tax-advantaged accounts, deductions, and credits. You don't need to become a tax expert, but have a basic understanding of how taxes impact your income and investments. Seek professional help from a qualified tax advisor if needed. By being proactive and educating yourself about taxes, you can potentially save thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Secret number 5. Debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth when used responsibly. The wealthy understand that not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can sabotage your finances. Good debt, like mortgages on rental properties or business loans, can help you build wealth. They use mortgages to purchase income-producing properties. Rental income covers mortgage payments and other expenses. Over time, they build equity and wealth. The key is to ensure potential returns outweigh the costs. Have a solid plan for using debt to generate income or build wealth. Secret number 6. In the world of finance, things are constantly changing. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and network with other successful individuals. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Make it a habit to educate yourself regularly. Seek out mentors or join communities of like-minded individuals. The more you learn about money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Secret number 7. Your network is your net worth. The wealthy prioritize building relationships with other successful individuals. They attend industry events, join exclusive clubs, and surround themselves with people who offer valuable insights and opportunities. Networking can be as simple as attending local meetups or joining online forums. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven individuals. Building a strong network takes time and effort. Cultivate genuine relationships and provide value to others. Secret number 8. Relying on a single source of income is risky. The wealthy create multiple streams of income to diversify their earnings. This could include rental income, investment dividends, business profits, or side hustles. The more income streams you have, the more resilient your finances become. Start a side hustle or invest in assets that generate passive income. These investments can provide a steady stream of income. Building multiple income streams is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial freedom. Secret number 9. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to wander aimlessly. The wealthy set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals. They know exactly what they want to achieve with their money. Write down your financial goals and create a plan of action. Clear goals give you something to work towards and help you stay motivated. Make financial decisions that align with your long-term objectives. Identify what's important to you and create a plan to make it happen. So there you have it. 9 game-changing money secrets the rich know that can help you transform your finances. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and share it. Click on one of the videos we've handpicked for you to continue your journey towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start building your financial empire was yesterday. The next best time is today.